Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with exercise 15.1 of chapter 15. This is question number 6. Here we have to take a reference from the table in chapter number 14, table 14.7. So what I have done is I have drawn this table for you. Now I will read out the question before we proceed with solving the sums. So it states that a teacher wanted to analyze the performance of two sections of students in a mathematics test of 100 marks. Looking at their performances, she found that few students got under 20 marks and a few got 70 marks or above. So she decided to group them in intervals of varying sizes as follows: 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 and above. Okay. Then she formed this table. So now these marks are out of 100. So students who secured between 0 to 20 marks, there are 7 such students. Students securing 20 to 30 marks are 10, and so on. Now the total number of students are 90, and the number of marks that is there, it's 100 marks, right? So let's read the first question. You need to find the probability of student who obtained less than 20%. So you must be wondering, why do we have a percent? Now since we have the marks out of 100, let me just write it over here. This is out of 100. So if I say out of 100, it means 1 out of 100 is 1%, 20 out of 100 is 20%. We know that, right? So whenever let's say you want to write 20%, what does 20% mean? It means 20 upon 100. What does 1.5% mean? It means 1.5 upon 100. So whether here you write 20 marks or 20% marks, it's the same thing because the marks are out of 100. Okay, now we need to find the probability of the students and not the marks, right? So the total number of students will be taken for the denominator, which is 90. So now let's find out students who obtained less than 20% marks. So students belonging in this category, we have 7 such students, and the probability would be 7 divided by the total number, which is 90. So 7 upon 90 would be the solution to the first sub question. So I'll say total number of students is equal to 90, and I will mark this as 1. So the first sub question, number of students securing less than 20% is equal to 7. Let's mark this as 2. So the probability of student obtained less than 20% is equal to equation 2 divided by equation 1, which is going to be 7 upon 90. This is your solution to first sub question. So I'm just marking this with small Roman number 1 and putting it in a box. Okay. Proceeding further, we need to find the probability of student who obtained 60 marks or above. So what categories would fall in this question? You have 60 marks or above. So students who secured 60 marks or more than 60 marks. Let's see this category. So 60 marks or above. We are going to take, see, when you must be wondering that this is 50 to 60. But usually what happens is when you have continuous class intervals, right? This is 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. We have learned this in the previous chapter. When there are continuous class intervals, what we do is I'm going to subtract, I'm going to take the mid value of this, right? And I'm going to subtract it from here and add that value to here. So this becomes actually 59.5 and this becomes 60, right? So I'm going to take 60 to 70 and 70 and above category. So what would this be? 20 and 15. So the total number of students falling under this category is 20 plus 15, which is, I'm sorry, it's not 20 plus 15, it is 15 plus 8. We are going to consider these two categories. So 15 plus 8 would be 23 divided by the total number of students, which is 9. So let's write this down. Number of students securing 60 or more marks is equal to number of students in class interval 60 to 70 plus number of students in class interval 70 to above, right? So this is going to be 15 plus 8, which is 23. Let's mark this as equation number 3. So the probability would be 3 divided by 1, which is 23 divided by 90. Let's write this down. I'll say probability students obtained 60 marks or above is equal to 2 divided by 1. That's equation 2 divided by 1. Equation 1, which is 23 by 90. So this is your solution to the second sub question. I put it under a box, in a box, and marked it as small Roman equation number 2. So please take a look. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.